the other ones now, okay? Okay, first will be orange.
When we're done that one, you done one by myself.
Okay, you want to do another one by yourself? With the orange?
And
Here, let me fix that up for you just a second.
what?
Hey Jasper, what are you doing?
I'm not doing anything now.
Are you making Halloween cupcakes though?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They showed me.
He's helping you? That's good.
Now we're doing icing. Icing now.
Okay, there you go. And try that again, okay?
Good at it.
Wow.
Now I'm trying to do it. I'm almost done doing it. Now I'm done.
Okay, what about that other one over there? You gonna do that one?
Wish I need blue of that one too.
Okay, you need blue of that one?
Yeah.
How many cupcakes did you make, honey?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
So how many is that?
7.
Altogether.
7 and plus 5, right? So how many is that?
5?
Can you count
This
them
is 7 and
all?
that's 5, right?
7 and 5?
Mm-hmm.
And then 7. Oh, no, now I want to blue.
Okay.
Yeah. Now I want to do one on that one.
Can I do orange on this one? Can you do blue on this one?
Yes.
Okay. You can do orange in the middle.
Sunday morning in Seattle.
Can you do